Class 11 की chapter redox reaction की मखा चतरक पोइना redox reaction part to the disproportionation reaction असी यंगी को disproportionation reaction असी करी नो इना so disproportionation reaction है दे definition ये रखे को the reaction in which same element is oxidized and reduced simultaneously. Same element amana amuktada oxidation su thokpa reduction su thokpa adumba reaction dubu disproportionation reaction. Example when I2 plus OH minus I sina I minus plus IO3 minus P re jadi yang siko example sida sigi reaction sida sig I2 sigi oxidation number oxidation state natraga oxidation number kya hoini 0 hoigani ko sida di I minus tadi magi oxidation state kya hoini -1 aduga amu sigi IO3 minus tadi calculate tawsi ko x oxygen ki kya -2 oxygen kya yawi ahum audi -6 equal to kya -1 this implies x equal to kya tarani 5 sidana iodine ki oxidation state +5 sidana -1 so sidagi asida yengba matamdadi iodine ki oxidation number decrease ni ko maramdi 0 dagi -1 lakpani maramna decrease so sikai orani reduction aduga muk chap manana sida muk yengo iodine jina mu sida yengo sidana iodine oxidation number 0 asidana iodine ki oxidation number 5 that means oxidation number increase so oxidation so di yengo same element definition ki matungina same element sida same element haibani ko same element is oxidized same element is oxidized and reduced simultaneously haibani same element hoigadaba ko sida reaction sida iodine kaktana reduction su thoe oxidation su thoe adudi sigi reaction si kari hoini disproportionation reaction atopa example amasu yengsi ko atopa example da Cl2 plus water gives HCl plus HClO so sida chlorine oxidation number kya hoini 0 sida di chlorine oxidation number -1 hoigani ko -1 oxidation number asida di chlorine gi photo hydrogen gi +1 chlorine gi x lower oxygen gi -2 equal to 0 this implies x equal to kya tarani 1 sidana +1 so adudi chlorine na sida 0 da lerambadagi 1 that means oxidation number increase so oxidation sab manana sigi chlorine masamaksina mu 0 da lerambadagi sida -1 da that means oxidation number decrease. So this is reduction. So same element, that is chlorine na oxidation jo to e amukta da reduction jo to e adu de sigi reaction si kai hoini. Example of disproportionation reaction yani ko